Welcome back. It's me and Christina. It's 10:30 p.m. on a Saturday, and I have decided to start the process right now. I got all the tools that I think I'm gonna need, and yeah, let's do it. First of all, let's fix this. You gotta be straight. You gotta be straight. I'm back and dripping. Don't mind me. I use this bamboo anti-breakage and heat protector, but it's kind of old. It's been a minute. I don't usually straighten my hair anymore, so it's old. But I also am gonna add this when I section my hair. So I got this one because it looked like it could work for curly hair, and also you could buy a different attachment. Okay, it's 11:07 and we're gonna start. It's wet because the curly hair is better. First of all, it is too hot for this. It did a good job. I tried different things. It's not good, but I didn't care much for that tonight. I just want to get it not curly and slip on it, and tomorrow I'm gonna try the wig. Also, it's 11:49. I took some break. I tried different things. Smaller is better than bigger.